Today on Keith's Customs, we're going to take care of some raccoon damage. Hit a raccoon with my girlfriend's BMW X3 and took out the lower grille on the driver's side. So we're going to be replacing that. Got the new part. I've got the sensors or this forward sensing marker installed in it, and we're going to see if we can't get this together. So let's get going. Okay, for this job you're going to need some kind of pry tool, plastic pry tool to pry off the bumper retainers. Also need a 8mm socket. Turn the wheel here a little bit so I can get to the clips. It doesn't like me doing that. Okay, so you got some clips along the side here. Take out with your plastic pry bar. Wouldn't think a raccoon would do a lot of damage, but they can. This one, fortunately, didn't hit right in the middle. I had a 2006 Ford Focus, and I hit a raccoon with that one. It's a big one. Big raccoon. And it hit right in the middle. It took out the bumper and caved in the radiator. It was about $2,400 worth of damage. So they can do some damage. Work this off here. Firm movements. The clips come right out. Now hopefully for replacing this, I don't have to take off the whole bumper. Just take off a portion. Get my new grille in there. Attach my sensors. This is actually my first BMW I've had to work on, so some people have mixed feelings about BMW. I'm kind of on the fence. There's a lot of people on YouTube that don't like them. They think they're money pits. I'm kind of mixed feelings. My girlfriend really hasn't had any problems with this so far, but it doesn't have that many miles on it either. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's a 2016. but it rides nice. It's got some nice features. I really like the heads-up display. That's a really cool feature. Here's our new part here. Sensor's already installed. Just clips in from the back. Oh, hopefully we can maneuver this in here. Get our sensor hooked up here. And our parking sensor. That should just clip in. Looks like you can only go one way, so plug that in. Other sensor on there. Up into place. Clip it into place. Like so. Tight squeeze for your arm. Tight squeeze. But all our clips clipped in. There we go. Now we just got to put our bolts back. The sensor's lined up. Put our fitting back, put our trim back on. You should be looking real good. Like I said, my Focus was a mess. $2,400 worth of damage. I had to replace the front bumper cover. The radiator it didn't leak, so I didn't replace that. Radiator mounts. What else do I have to replace? Had the front bumper cover painted to match. Headlights, grill. And that was a total, you know, I had to take the front end all apart, take the bumper cover off. Darn raccoons! Tighten these up. Show you this here once. These clips come off. Right here. And they go back in the trim panel piece. So I'm prying them out with the pry bar. And they go back in the trim piece in this little track. And then you can, when you go to put this trim piece back on, they snap back into place. All right. And that project's done. Have a good one.